Let's face it, this isn't the world's most charismatic creature. And neither is this. And these tiny crawlers, well, they don't look any cuter close up. But ants and opossums and even vultures have something in common with this beautiful fox. They can all be found in our biggest cities, where they make a living by reusing and recycling what we throw away, what we call garbage, they call dinner. We don't always welcome them. But a new generation of scientists is discovering their secret lives.
They're really in every urban site that you can imagine.
The surprising ways they adapt to urban life.
Like, have you spent a few minutes just watching the cool things that they do?
And why we should care.
There's really no other species that can fill that role.
Together, they are the unsung heroes of nature's cleanup crew.